Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best ski and snowboard waxes on Amazon. Whether you're just starting to snowboard and ski or you're familiar with the slopes, you probably know that wax for skis and snowboards is an essential piece of gear that you can't forget about. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. ZumWax Rub-On. With the most straightforward application process, the ZumWax Rub-On Wax has a quick 2-step process that can be completed anywhere on the mountain. With zero hassle, you rub on wax and then buff it out with the attached cork to get the perfect coating. With diverse air and snow temperatures, this wax can be used in the extreme cold in temperatures as low as -22 degrees Fahrenheit. For extreme speed, apply this wax in between runs to keep your all-mountain skis and boards slick. What we like about it? Quick 2-step application process. Zero hassle with a rub-on and buff design. Diverse air and snow temperature. Suitable for extreme cold. Easily apply wax between runs. Number 2. Hurdle All Temperature. With unmatched performance and speed, the Hurdle All Temperature Wax is the best snowboard wax that can be used to enhance both cross-country skis and snowboards. The all-temperature formula ensures that this wax works in any weather and snow condition, even in temperatures as low as 6 degrees Fahrenheit. For deep powder and challenging crud, this wax will keep you gliding along. The wax gives the boarder or skier more control and enhances their safety. For easy application, this wax can be applied hot or cold and rubbed on. The magic of Hurdle Wax lies in its ability to make a real difference in your winter adventure. It's not just about the promise, it's about experiencing the transformation firsthand. As you apply this wax to your skis or snowboard, you'll notice an immediate difference in the texture and feel. With Hurdle Wax, the slopes become your playground, and every turn becomes a testament to the power of exceptional performance. What we like about it? Unmatched performance and speed. Works in any weather and snow condition. More control. Enhances your safety. Easy hot or cold application. Rub on. Number 3. ZumWax Ski Snowboard Racing Wax. For racers, speed is essential, and the ZumWax Racing Wax has a specialized formula that is incredibly fast. This universal temperature wax uses hydrocarbon to ensure you can pick up speed in any snow condition. With a large temperature range, this wax can be used alone on cold days or as a base on warmer days. Additionally, a single bar is 3.5 ounces so that it lasts for multiple races throughout the season. What we like about it? Specialized formula is incredibly fast. Ideal for racers. Universal temperature. Pick up speed in any snow condition. 1 bar lasts for multiple races. Number 4. Pearl Ski and Snowboard Wax. The Pearl Block Ski and Snowboard Wax is a microcrystalline formula that has superior durability to withstand a full day on the mountain. The hardness of the wax ensures it isn't easily removed from your skis and snowboard as you maneuver various snow conditions. With a recommended temperature rating of 10 to 32 degrees Fahrenheit, this wax is optimized for low temperature conditions. Finally, this wax is non-toxic and eco-friendly. With no fluoros and no chemicals, your purchase is safe and contributes to environmental conservation while still allowing you to catch mega speed on the slopes. The absence of fluoros in pearl wax is a testament to its dedication to sustainable solutions. Fluorocarbons, often used in waxes for water and dirt repellency, have raised concerns due to their potential harm to both human health and the environment. Pearl's fluoros-free approach means you can glide down the slopes with the knowledge that you're making a positive impact by choosing a responsible product. What we like about it? Microcrystalline formula. Superior durability. Won't be easily removed by harsh snow conditions. Use in low temperature conditions, pick up speed and conquer the mountain. Number 5. ZumWax Warm Temperature Rub-On. For days when the sun's out and the sky is clear, the ZumWax Warm Temperature Rub-On Wax is the best snowboard wax with a hassle-free formula. This wax has been optimized for warmer conditions and has a simple 2-step application process. Rub on and buff out with the included cork piece. On sunny spring days, this wax will ensure you never lose speed. What we like about it: perfect for spring. Ideal for warmer temperatures. Hassle-free formula. Rub on and buff out. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.